Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this beautiful DeLonghi Dinamica espresso machine. It comes to us with a broken part and it needs tune up and deep cleaning. It was like building a lot of coffee inside it. So it causes some parts get stuck and it gets broken from the pro unit. Here is the broken part and this is come out. So make deep cleaning for the whole machine and descaling and replace the whole the pro assembly. Let's go ahead and test it. Make a cup of coffee on it. Espresso shot.
We should get the full set. That's insulation, it goes like that, but I guess insulation is worn out and the fuse is not the right one there. And there's some
That's a great flow. Looks great. Espresso shot with the crema. Let's test the
They thought we were DeLonghi.
steamer. Doing the hot water first. It takes time to get hot.
DeLonghi, so I just gave him the DeLonghi phone number. Like I was on the warranty for it. Like if you go to DeLonghi warranty, there's a phone number. Call it.
That works perfect. So I'm gonna wait for the hot water.
Water?
Okay, so all the functions works perfect. Thank you for watching.